This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2018 Renault Clio, stock number 7255. It's ran from the 9th 2013 and the 10th 2019. There's an H5F 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a H5F 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory mounted tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory mounted tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory mounted tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory mounted tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,